Tere na 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 da na na na. Welcome back. This is me, Surya, and I am here with Ajay Rao, the rocking star. Well, Ajay, the reason why I'm saying rocking star is that on the 50th day celebration of your film Taj Mahal, your friends had named you the rocking star. So what do you have to say about it?
So, but I don't accept all those star tags with me. The star twinkles, but an actor never dies. Star twinkles on, off. Your stardom is always not there. If you are a good actor, you are always there. So I strongly believe in that, and I always struggle hard to be a good actor. I don't take stardom.
ಅವಳಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಅವಳಿಗೂ ನಾನಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಕೋ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ನಾ ನೋಡದೆ ನಿನ್ನನು ಇರಲಾರೆನೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನೀನಕ್ಕರೆ ನಾನು ತುಸು ನಾಚುವೆ ಕೋಗಿಲೆ ಹಾಡು ಈಗಲೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ಹಾಡಲೇ.
So what is like the funniest gossip you've heard about yourself, or something that you can't forget?
Till now, I think I don't have any gossips.
Oh,
I
really?
don't remember any gossips.
Okay, now you all know about it. I'm sure the next thing you know, the next magazines and newspaper, there'll be something written about you.
Yes, I don't mind.
Okay, so let's ask Ajay this question. What's your take on girls, Ajay?
Girls, I respect girls, and there should be girls on this world. Then only the beauty adds up to the world. I admire girls. I respect girls.
So, is there anyone you admire in special? Do you have a girlfriend?
I have friends, a lot of friends, but not particular one girlfriend whom I love or I want to marry her. I don't have any.
No, he doesn't have.
Girl.
Okay, girls, Ajay is still single.
Yeah. Please note it down. I'm still single.
ಅಂದವಾದ ಬಂಧವೊಂದು ಸ್ವಂತವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತರಂಗ ರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂತ ಗುಂಗು ತುಂಬಿದೆ ಸುಂದರಾಂಗ ಸುಂದರಾಂಗಿ ಸಂಘವಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಕಣ್ಣನೆ ಕಣ್ಣನೆ ಅಂಗವಂಗ ಮಿಂಚು ಬಂತು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
Well, the cinema industry, it's a really nice place to be and not so nice place to be. So, how do you get along? Do you have any friends who are like the other stars? Are you friends with other film stars? How do they treat you? Do you hang out after work? Do you discuss? Do you do some productive discussions?
I don't have any friends in the film industry.
No.
But I have a few people, I mean related to the direction department, like the technicians, whom I feel they are my teachers. I definitely go to them, and so if I have some doubts or if I get some creative ideas, I go and discuss with them. But somewhere to hang out or with whom I can share my personal feelings or whatever, I don't have any such kind of friends in the film industry.
Okay, so you don't mix your professional life and personal life.
Sure.
ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಕಂಡಾಗ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನೇ ಕಂಡಂತೆ ಖಾಸ ಸಂತಸ ಹೀಗೆ ನೀ ನನ್ನ ಬಳಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಸುಳಿವಾಗ ದೂರಾನೇ ನಿಲ್ಲೋದು ಒಂದು ಸಾಹಸ ಸದಾ ನಿನ್ನದೇ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಈ ಜೀವದಲ್ಲೀಗ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲೂ ನಿಂದೇನೆ ಬಾಯಾರಿಕೆ ಬಾ ಬೇಗ ವಿಸಾರಕ್ಕೆ.
So coming to your personal life, what was the reaction of your friends of your first movie? How did they react to it? Do they tell you the truth, or do they just like, yeah, you're doing great because they're your friends?
No, they are my fantastic critics. Yeah. They straight away come to me and they never point out the positive things. I'll be always waiting. "Arey yaar, let them tell my positive things." They never, till now, they have never told my positive
See, that's
things.
why they're good friends.
Yeah, that's why. I have very few friends, like maximum 5 members.
Okay.
I have only that much friends, and they are very frank to me, and they have been always very supportive. I'm very lucky to have them.
Okay. Since you're like a mega Kannada star, I want you to say something in Kannada. Give the audience a break. When we come back, we'll be talking more about them. But I want you to give them a break link in Kannada.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳೇ, ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದೊಂದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಿರೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ನಂತರ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ.
ತೆರೆ ನಾ 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 ದಾ ನಾ ನಾ ದರ ನಾ ನಾ ತೆರೆ ನಾ 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 ದಾ